Viral Weekly, presented by Surrey Speak.
Hello, I'm Garima Singh, bringing you the most important developments from Surrey VC. Mayor seeks federal action on extortion violence. Surrey Mayor Brenda Locke is ramping up pressure on Ottawa to take nationwide action against the rising wave of extortion and associated violence affecting residents and businesses. Locke has formally asked the federal government to appoint a national extortion commissioner to coordinate police forces, governments, and experts across Canada. She warns that Surrey alone has seen dozens of extortion fires, including multiple shootings in recent weeks, and says municipalities cannot tackle the problem alone. Westmoreland Bridge closed. Repairs could take weeks. The historic Westmoreland Bridge in Delta, a vital link for about 200 residents, remained closed to vehicle traffic after being struck by a marine vessel earlier this week. Initial hopes for a quick fix have faded after structural assessments reveal more significant damage than first feared, prompting TransLink to delay any reliable reopening timeframe. Pedestrian access remains open and a free shuttle service is operating while crews undertake detailed inspections and plan the repair approach. City highlights major 2025 achievements and investments. The City of Surrey has released its annual 2025 City Achievements Report, showcasing key investments and progress across housing, transportation, parks, and public services. Over $1.6 billion in capital commitments were advanced last year, the largest in Surrey's history, including expanded transit, infrastructure, road improvement, new community amenities, and revitalized neighborhood spaces. Officials say these efforts strengthen Surrey's growth trajectory and aim to make the city a more connected, vibrant, and livable urban hub. Longley's Surrey brother found liable in stock fraud schemes. In a significant ruling affecting the region's financial oversight, the BC Securities Commission has found two brothers, one from Langley and one from Surrey, liable for their roles in multi-layer pump and dump stock schemes. The scheme involved artificially inflating the share prices of several companies before selling off holdings at a profit, misleading investors in the process. The Commission's 134-page decisions detailed how false and misleading press tactics contributed to the artificial pricing. Surrey Council set to vote on Bear Creek Stadium electrical upgrades. Surrey City Council is expected to consider a contract this week for electrical upgrade at Bear Creek Stadium, Newton, a key community sports facility that opened in 2025. If approved, the nearly $500,000 contract would boost the stadium's power infrastructure and event power distribution systems, supporting future programming and special events at the 2,200-seat track and field venue. That's all for this week.